Hello, hello. Hello, Mr. Country. Hello, it's husband. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're all having a good time. Um, I am trying to put on the finishing touches to the Heartrate app, which I haven't touched for a bit, but hopefully that'll be all done by the end of the stream today. We might get interrupted to play a game by someone, I don't know. It'll be what it'll be. So, let's get into it, I guess. So, I guess the final touch would be getting the apps to launch each other. I should probably get the thing visible though. There. Echo, did you check your DMs with me? There's some stuff in there about your lips. Not get away with working just yet. Actually, no, it's just on someone on the screen. Oh, it's my eyes, my tricks on me. Could have one of my glass on. Whenever you're free, I'm just making sure you got them. Alright. Oh wow, is this what vision's like? Incredible. Alright, one thing I will try first is to relaunch the app and see if it launches on the Wear. If it doesn't, it should throw like some sort of error, I'd imagine. It's not in a known location. What the fuck? I don't know what this is doing. These warnings. What do they mean? There's a fuckload of them. No network security configured. Oh my. Don't I? I thought in the phone's build, Gradle, I fucking had the log. Oh no, I didn't put the log thing in there. Oop. This one. KToro doesn't. KToro likes it when that's there. Oh, good thing I checked that. Resource failed to close. Well, I don't know what fucking resource that is. No, it's just getting post requests. Oh. That wasn't very bunny faced of you? What wasn't? What wasn't bunny faced of me? Listen, bunnies can swear. I will say frick as much as I want to say frick. No, I guess I'll relaunch it. See what happens. Maybe I just put him in the bad spot. I'm not launching it right. Because you think the start remote activity, right? Meow meow, say something. Meow meow meow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I heard a cat. Sorry. That's what the thing said. Let me double check here quick. Yeah, you're a cat. Interesting. Baka. Baka baka baka. We got a lot of. Oh yeah, we got like a floating emotes now on the stream. I thought it might be a cute thing to add. Although perhaps I should layer it better. I sort of threw it on top. Right there should be good. Hello, Reda. It's been a while. How have you been? Maybe I should make some toasts. Or does it need to run on the UI thread? Make some toasts. I have been pretty good. Hang in there. What's finding devices clearly it's just not receiving them. Hmm. I'm thinking. Okay. I the bus. Node ID. Do that. No, I should differentiate launching market versus launching app. Alright, fucking launch this thing. Let me check. Well, it made it that far, so I don't know. Hmm. Oh, I think I'm missing this part. The dot. Oh wait. Okay. Let's try launching it now. And it crashed before it could even. Wow, it crashed fucking hard. I think. Well, it's technically still running, as it's got the background service going on. Let me just kill that, and then I guess run it again, see what fucking happens. Wow, okay. It is not getting far. It don't like that. It don't like that one bit. I did say with their own exception if it something else happened. How am I supposed to find anything in this? Where are these all coming from? I sure don't know. I send one message quick. I type fast. I was just curious if when I push the button. Not sure to do that. Okay, so I can't just do that dot await thing. I gotta like do something else here. We have to do something like task dot await or something. Yeah, task dot await. So it's in that scope, launch the coroutine. Alright, so I have to do like task dot await, but I don't know what it returns. I see not the issue. What does that return? Capability client? Oh no, see that returns a task. What? Start remote activity. Returns listenable future. What's the listenable future? Okay, let me look at the documentation of it here. Um, okay. Await completion of this listenable future without blocking a thread. This suspension was cancelable. I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna go off the what Google's documentation says. That seems like a solid idea. Mm-hmm. Peanut today was just the most rambunctious little bugger. He was obsessed. I think he's getting used to the Roomba. So he's not like kind of cowering in fear anymore. He's just like play, 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 even when the room is running now. Which is good because he's used to the Roomba now. But now he's like He just wore himself out so hard today. He was running everywhere with his little birdie on a string and stick toy. He was obsessed, I would dare say. He just could not settle down. And he like passed the fuck out. um they're acting like I know what the fuck to do with the shit. These freaking I know what the fuck to do with any of this. I'm just trying to launch an intent somewhere else. Is that so hard? Apparently. Most simple feature that resolves when the I don't. Alright. Android. Start remote activity. How to work. That's what I'm Googling. How to work. How to start a companion app on a thing with a remote intent. Ooh. Well. Wait. I have to have a receiver, I think, actually. On the activity. Oh. Adding the intent filter in the Android manifest for the activity I wanted to start. Okay. Do I have to make like a new intent filter? I might just copy the Stack Overflow stuff as all good programmers do. What's wrong with you? Should only use lowercase, but that's actually I think I don't want that. That alright, that might make it work actually. Alright, so it was on the phone. No, I did that on the watch, so I have to add another one there. Okay. It's no longer phone HR service. Or is it? No, it's always phone HR. So watch, it has web and message HR services. Hello, Globy. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Alright, let's see if it will launch now. I'm making a Heartrate app. You can see it up there. I'm trying to make a free little app for streamers to show their heart rate easily on stream. I don't watch the Wear version. Should I check if it's already running? Or is that not an issue? Maybe it's not an issue. Missing feature, watch on your oh. Alright, now it's on the right device. Yeah, so hopefully I'm just putting the finishing touches on this app, and then it should be good for me to put on the Play Store. Just have to make sure if a couple things are working. I wish I had the ability to show you the devices, but they got pretty neat little interfaces. Unfortunately, though, the Android emulator also takes up a lot of resources, and with the streaming, it's also kind of a bit of a yikes gamer. Bit of a gamer, yikes. Now we wait until, it's wrong device selected. You're glad you realize coding gets hard early. Not always. Sometimes it's not that the code's hard, it's that your brain's too hard to understand it. Like mine. I like how when I shake the watch more, it will sometimes flip the log. Like if I grab it now. No. Why now? Come on. Do something. Do something, kid, huh? You can fight me. Watch. Come on. You can do shit. It's really having a hard time waking up. Disable brain and move mouse. Point and shoot. Yeah, it's a little bit more. Android Wear is no longer responding. 80s porn music, what the fuck? That was a big old fucking... What happened? Receiver not registered. No, it's on the other one. 1, 2, 3 on the other main activity. I always break the code. What are you talking about? The code's always broken. It's just a fact of life. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3. Line 1, 2, 3. Can I put that in a try catch? No, not with just you. Stop filling my logs. Catch the exception. What kind of exception? And legal argument exception. Legal argument when registering broadcast receiver, and then e dot print stack trace. That should do it. That's first wrong. I always, when E and I's are always involved, I forget how it goes. My brain don't, that's just like, Is the app working? It does appear to be working. Let's try opening it though. It's running. That's why my heart rate looks so high. That explains that. It's averaging between my Fitbit and like whatever bullshit this thing's reading. I could turn it on so it only reads it when it's medium accuracy, but at the same time, sometimes it really struggles to get above low accuracy on older devices. I feel as though I should make it a setting, but you know, that would require work. Maybe if I get enough people to download this thing. I should also probably like redo how it looks. Cause I'm gonna be real, this is kind of annoying and ugly. You wouldn't, it's a big bright red heart that you're presumably playing during a horror game. And I look at a lot of the other heart rate apps, and then they have like a little bleep boop here for your heart, and then you got like cool like digital clock numbers right there. And it's like, ooh, that looks pretty fucking fancy. Me, I kinda want that, not ugly bright red heart. So I might go around looking for some solution to that. So yeah. Alright, so do both of them have that receiver now? The intent filter? Yes. Okay. So, if I close out the, that one, $50 purchase on Amazon. I don't know. Seems kind of legit. Whoa. I also kind of want to add the ability so you like maybe put like your own custom layout in there, I guess. Not stupid for people who configure Android Studio when I put this shit on GitHub. Alright, so if I go switch to the phone version, switch to that one, relaunch, terminate the process on the phone, yes. Kill it. Or did it already launch? I'm looking. Shit runs so fast. Do it again, I wasn't looking. Launching it on. I don't see it. Found not found exception. Oh, that's all from the whatchamacallit, the web server launching. It's not really designed to work on Android, and I think it kind of butts heads with Android's stuff. I still have screaming statements somewhere. I did. Okay, well, we figured that out. Oh, it's because I'm not doing the await anymore, and the thing said it would throw an exception before. So maybe if I put it in a try catch? Wait, that's on there. I was trying this on the phone to get it to work on the app. So, if I put these dot awaits there, run it again, see what happens. Launch, launch, launch. I believe in you. Launch it on my fucking watch. Do it. Do it, you whore. Come on, babe. Come on. You're usually so fast, babe. Come on. Come on, babe. Babe, please. Come on. Come on, phone, babe. Come on. Just run the app, babe. Come on. Babe. Bonus, the app has stopped working. Why? What went wrong? Oh, that looks like something. Oh. Uh, the category browsable must be added to the intent. Ow. Okay, wait a minute here. Let me see. Let me look at the stoof here. Hold on here. Alright, alright. Alright, I don't think I need that, but I do need set category. Oh wait, dot set. How do I set the category? I have to look at like the documentation for an intent here. I just put that there, put that there. I'm sorry everyone for light mode. Blame Google, not me. How do I oh, add category. Oh. It's add category. Okay. Add category, and then the category is intent dot category browsable, I think. Okay, I think I need to add that. Perhaps two other ones? We'll try the reverse later. See what happens. Okay. Formatting code's the biggest, ugliest fucking shit ever. Alright. Add that dot weight there. And then we should be off to the races. I think. Here's a question. I don't know. There's like two ways to do this, and they're both like the supported way. There's the Android X way, and then there's the freaking Google wearable way. And I'm like, which way do I want to do? There's remote intent, and then there is remote activity helper. But if you look at like the Google dependent versus independent shit, it mentions remote activity helper, which is part of Android X. Oh my god, why is it gotta take so long? On the freaking phone. Run, whore. Crashed. Fuck. Run it again. I saw something red. There's an error when while starting the remote activity. Sneeze. There's not really a good tutorial on this. Um, let me see here. Wait. Let me open Play Store on where. Notes with app. I'm wondering if it like going through like an example they have, but it doesn't seem to have. There's a where verify app, but where is like where launch app kind of thing? No idea. All right. Oh my god. So it wasn't happy about starting it. Something happened. There was an error. But why? Why was there an error? I had a listener. Also caused. Never understood also. I still don't really understand it. Confusion. Piano confused. Okay, so here's the question. What if I launch the freaking watch one? Huh? What do we do then? Huh? What then? Will it die or will it live? Why is there just a random A there? God, why am I getting cold? I haven't turned the heater on. Although I don't know if the heater's ever turned on yet. Which I'm kind of still amazed by. Come on, I believe in you. You can launch this app. It like has to work so hard to install an app on its tiny little watch face. Oh, the baby can't watch an app. We can't even we install an app. Oh. I think I updated the Google Play services and it took like a whole day for the Domino's app to install. Which I was kind of like mesmerized by because that was like the only app I had that had a watch version that was compatible with my watch or something. I don't know. I don't know how it worked. It like just has a thing like when you launch the Domino's app on your phone, maybe it, like checks, hey, do you got a watch? Oh, you do. We'll install the fucking thing for you. Not sure if it asked me though. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, it seems that thing's launching. Developer error on transact from status. This is a lot of confusion. I'm like, holy jeez, what did I fucking do? And that fucking motherfucking class still fucking kicking. Source code recreated from a .class file by IntelliJ IDE. Current flower decompiler. Huh. Oh god, why am I so cool? I'm gonna look at the thermostat quick. I got a blankie. So now I'm all cozy. If only coziness fix this fucking problem. I don't know. Oh, Peanut's back. Hi, Peanut. So, Mom, why are you wearing the blanket? And Mom, I am also taking the watch with me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm saying hi to everybody. Yeah. He chirps. He's a chirpy little boy. Oh, he likes this blanket. You know, you're like, shove your paw into my thigh, and I trim them, but like, it's still kind of uncomfortable. Uh, oh my god, he is just being a big old baby in my lap. Alright, developer error though. That's like really weird. I can only assume it has to do with this because this is the only thing that's really changed. So I think I should just try to surround these and try catches. Be a decent option. I can spell, don't worry. He's reaching up to touch my face, but he's not tall enough to touch it. You silly peanut. Come here. Yeah. You baby. You is baby. Oh my god. How are you so baby? It has to be illegal for you to be that baby. I'm just saying. He likes to reach up and touch my face, and it's just like, oh my god. Can you be any cuter? I don't remember what the exception was on the phone actually. And I'm just realized I'm putting this in the phone. So hey. Oh, that should go there, right? Import that shit. Peanut. Look at the peanut. Hey, little peanut. Oh, look at the little peanut. Yes, the little peanut is here. Look at him. Look at the little peanut. Oh, so small, so beautiful, so precious. The tiny little peanut. Oh yeah, you were so baby. Oh, and he's off on peanut adventures. I think the dishwasher made a noise. But he didn't go up through the little window to the kitchen, so he would be walking on the counter. So that's good. Um, alright, W. Tag. Exception while launching phone app. Is the phone version still running? I don't think it is. Alright, let's try launching the Goujer version again. See if we get a different result this time. God damn. Number of drop. I like redid all my OBS stuff, and I replaced a lot of duplicate sources with mirrors. And now shit's really looking good. I think it is smart enough to know. Yeah, like look at that. Flawless. I'm pretty sure if you like chat will also move correctly now. I think if I go to, yeah, you can see like the donations on top. They fucking they move. And there's as many drop frames so you can see it smoother. I reduce like the number of drop frames when I'm like doing this at 30 FPS by like 5, which is like usually like 8 or 9, sometimes 10. So that's pretty good actually. Like on average 50 to 70 or something percent improvement. That's pretty solid. What percent of a second we're missing has been significantly reduced. Oh, it's launching. Let's watch that log. Watch that log. Exception while launching a phone app. Oh, I forgot to put the stack trace actually. Let me. Remote act. Remote intent. Start remote activity. That's the other one. Oh boy. Android Wear apps packaged with the legacy embedded app mechanism can now be delivered to Android Wear 2.0 launches. I'm just hoping there's some. Sorry, we couldn't find that page. Well, fuck you. Alright, start remote activity. String. Oh, hello, Pidgey. was looking at documentation. Sorry if I didn't see you. I love that emo actually. What the fuck? It's an adorable emo. I love that. Hello, hello. You're saying I'm cute. God, gee whiz. Gee willikers. How am I supposed to react to that? Well, I hope you're having a good night. My cat is here to get threatened with a spray bottle. Like girls, me too. I really like cute girls. Oh my god, Peanut. Peanut, get off my desk. I like need to program. You silly frick. You going back to your bed? Okay, fine. My cat loves to be annoying. Wow, what are you up to tonight? I hope that the night is faring you well. Hmm. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. Data analysis is actually the one thing I struggle with the most. I like and it's it confuses me. If that makes sense. Wait. How do I get the what's with these errors while trying to launch the apps remotely? Kill that process. Murder it. It's good to have an in-between between management and develop engineers, because God knows the bank I work at, they just even today something came up that was just like the management having clear like putting the blame basically on the engineers for their tight deadlines. They don't want to have. Oh, thank you so much for the follow. And because we our company doesn't hire programmers for programming is the issue. They hire people that way underqualified, and then they put them in the same position as me, who had to go to college for fucking ever to get to where I am. And then they just hand them the same job as me and say, go ahead. Then when shit breaks, they're like, well, I think what we need to do is we need to have it be toggleable. So there's a switch we have to turn on to enable the new features. Because whenever you guys make new features, it breaks. I'm like, don't give us enough time to test. You expect all this shit done in like a month. It's not enough time for us to do like 8 tickets. You whore. I usually get like 2 tickets done a month. And I feel like that's a good pace for me. It gives me a lot of time to go through everything. Sometimes I can get more than 2 done though. It's just, I mean, there needs to be more in between at my bank. I was rambling and I wasn't paying attention. Ah! Peanut, my cat. It's like jumped on my arm out of nowhere and scared the shit out of me. A lot of people say my voice is cute. Peanut, what are you doing? Peanut, are you playing with like the McDonald's video games and shit? What'd you do with them? There were 3 over here. Where is it? Where's the Super Monkey Ball? I have to change the battery on this, Peanut. Where did you put the Super Monkey Ball on? No, you can't steal my chair. Oh my gosh. Alright, yes, I know. Catch. I fixed it. Alright, Peanut, you're sitting on. Hey, no nibbles at me. There, I'm gonna smother you in the blanket. What? You big baby. You know you like me searching you. Yeah, see? Now you're being all nice and sitting there. Oh, I know why you're all cuddly and shit. You just shit. There's cat litter all over my desk. He always gets so cuddly after he goes to the bathroom. And I'm like, I can smell you. Get the fuck away from me. I said earlier, he like wore himself out today so hard. He was playing with his little toy and like taking it and playing with it everywhere. And he was just like, he just fucking conked out. He just like sat on the ground and just bonk right on his toy. Now I think he's all full of energy since he rested all day. Yeah, what do you think, huh? A noodle? You have a bird? Oh, birds are like birds are always so cool. Birds are certainly much more intelligent than cats, but like, god damn it, Benoodle. I want to be able to sleep with my animal, I guess. I don't think I could do that easily with a bird. I can't tell if this thing's crashing or not. I think I've launched it like 3 times now. Third time's the charm? There's an arrow when starting remote activity. What are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Tell me about your bird. I like to hear about that though. Alright, you know, my head arm is above your head. Please do not attack it. You need to type. You need to put this in a try catch. My life is in your hands, oh Peanut. You just went where like I didn't want you to be. I need like a little peanut for stream. I know what you're thinking there, kid. You know, why is my lap wet? What the fuck, dude? What is this sad Pepe? Peanut, I'm warning you. Hey. Oh, miss the boy. Why sad Pepe though? What happened? Is Bird okay? You're just sad, Bird. I'm sorry. Suppose that's why you're Pidgey. Oh, I get it. I thought it had something to do with a pig. I'm like probably dyslexic slightly. Why did you do that? Ooh, I like Apex. I've played Apex a couple of times. It's not really for me, I guess. I can see the value in Apex, though. There are a lot of other games where I don't see, like Overwatch. Overwatch is kind of like lost a lot of value in my opinion lately. When I say lately, I mean over the last like couple of years. It's it's just like they were making certain characters less fun or less powerful because people played them too much. I'm like, that's not how you balance a game. And then also with Overwatch, it was just like when I did play, the people were just like really fucking aggressive for no reason. Just like, well, bye. I'm not big on battle royales, unfortunately. I've tried many times to get into battle royales. I played the PUBG, the Fortnite, the Apex. I'm not good with player versus player shit. I'm not good with those kind of games. Alright, so now it should at least not crash. Never mind. It crashed. Why do I have to put everything in a fucking try? What's up with that, huh? Some tells me peanuts up to trouble. So help me God, man. Peppers in that bed. In which case, I'll find out later. You have peppers. You like, it's been going after my hot peppers lately. I'm like, you know these things are spicy, and like cats do not find these palatable at all. Why are you going after them? I think it's just because when they make like a scratchy noise when he. There's another VTuber. What was their name? Kiri, Kiri the Goblin. Yesterday they had like some super spicy fucking food, and I was just like, oh my god, I must have spicy noodle immediately. So I made really spicy ramen with a hot sauce called shit the bed. It was good shit. Sometimes you just need to like purge your insides. The spice cleanse. I need to figure out a better way to determine if the service is running. But I don't know if I want to do that right now. Alright, it's definitely not running now, so we should be good. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Give me that log without any red. Am I watching this on the phone or the watch? Jesus, the phone doesn't normally take this long. It's usually like bam, bam, bam. Come on, baby. What's taking you so long? Let me just hit it again. Oh, there we go. There was an error while attempting to start remote activity. Alright, let me dig through some freaking documentation here. Let me see here. Do a little research here. Yeah, what the fuck are these recommendations? Yeah, these are shit. Ah, an aphid. Aphid being infesting my pepper plants. I grow peppers. I tried soapy water, but I think I killed the plant more than I did the aphids. Alright, when all else fails, Android, how to use that. Turn on safe search, make sure. React Native, I don't know what that means. Authentication on watches. Good, we got the source, so what the fuck does that do for me? That's Xamarin. Do I need to use an app compat activity? What the fuck? Gravity compat? What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck this is. Why is it all this like this Saka Doxio? Let's just like put a space there. As shown in the following example. Okay, that might give us something. Uh, Remote activity helper. start remote activity. This intent. No. What? Remote activity helper. Does it have the category in there? Possible. Is that's the what matches the peanut. Once again, you are in my way. Browsable, that's the category. What the fuck? You know, just unlock my phone with your butt. Hi, baby. He's hugging me. He likes to do that. Hi, I'm working. Silly goose. Do not sit on my keyboard. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Hi. You just love to be in my way, don't you? You were such a brat. Come here. You can sit on my lap and yes. No complaining. You fucking spoiled ass cat. You know how much I fucking. If you fucking meow, I come running. You know that? You fucking has power over me. You monster. Okay, so. When I do that. Peanut! What are you doing? You caused me a ruckus. You mother. You're sitting on the keyboard. Hey! You go on the ground now. Swear to gosh. Causing me a ruckus. Okay, so let's see in the examples that it will do this. Or is that just the remote intent thing? It's remote activity helper. But start remote activity only takes 2 things. If null, and the current device is a watch, the activity will start on the companion phone device. Otherwise, the activity will start on all connected watch devices. Wait a minute. Isn't that what I want? Well, to an extent, I want it to start on all apps, all watches that have that. So, from the watch perspective, I don't need a node ID. Okay. Let me stop the background process. Oh, I noticed that, yeah. The thing went away. Okay, then let's try again. Suppose I don't need a for loop, do I? Oh, I launched the phone version. Shite. Okay. Switch to the Wear version and get this to frickin' work. Yeah, I don't need a for loop now, do I? So I also wouldn't need a for loop there. Fascinating. Okay. Fucking epic. #1 victory royale. Oh my god. Pidgey, I see your fucking bird. Peanut! Stop that. Get down from that counter. Ugh. Oh my god. This fucking herb. Oh please, oh please. I don't think it worked. Didn't work. Pidgey, you better fucking answer. What the fuck the name of this baby is named? Just you know, you messed up my little sound tiles. What a fucking cutie. Oh my god. Just a ball of tough. Can't just listen. She is now just in love with your bird. Will now probably become an honorary niece or nephew. An idea. Since we are not making progress on this front, but I am wanting to do something that will make progress. I am going to uninstall the app and see if I can launch the Play Store. Or stop. Uninstall. Alright, I've uninstalled the app from my phone. Let me kill the app on the watch. Okay. Royale, Fortnite, we about to get down 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. My friend just got down. I revived him, now we installed down. I like girls. I'm just like, oh, girl. Someone stop me. I am just like looking up freaking. How many toasts high Sonic? I'm looking up memes. Fuck. Broadcast receiver was somehow not registered. Something happened here. Category browsable must be in intent. 251. Alright. I can fix that. Or as the guy in Holes once said. Stay. Coolest guy ever. Never changed my mind on that. That one guy in Holes was coolest motherfucker. Fucking got the Blu-ray of that, and I fucking just sat and watched it, and I was like, this is like the first movie in a long ass time I've just like sat and watched for no reason other than I like it. Alright, alright, alright. We're I should probably add that to the phones too. Since, the experiment turned out to be correct. And that I need to add this fucking everywhere. Oi, we're in the intent, ain't we? No, we're not. Wishu wishu. Set data, set category. Bada bing, bada boom. I will coom on you. That's inappropriate, I'm sorry. Inappropriate blocking method call. Fuck you. Fucking run that shit, and I'm hoping it'll at least open the Google Play Store. Spicy nudes. Now I'm just dreaming about spicy noodles. Caterpie. I love them. I love the bird. The birdie Caterpie. Such a baby. Tell, I don't know if you're still watching Pidgey, but you can fucking tell whoever that the Caterpie is who VTubers, two VTubers certify that fucking bird adorable. Give me that run dialogue. How am I supposed to see what I'm doing? Think I can think for myself? Thinking too much. All birds are loud, bird. That's just a fact of life. That's why I don't have bird. Because I believe all birds are loud. And I just can't be a parent that long. I can't be a parent 24/7. Like, to that extent. I mean, fuck, this cat. I love him to pieces, but goddamn, I can barely parent this human fucking child. God. I learned something interesting today. More of a life lesson than anything. Okay, why? Why? Why must you crash? Why? Tell me. What did I do wrong? I did nothing fucking wrong. What the hell? That is how you do that. Is it not? I am just like so. Maybe I should try the remote intent instead. I think I might do that. Because clearly, this shit ain't working. Remote intent. Works in a similar way. Let's see here. Works in the exact same fucking way, but I put the context in there. Let's try that one, since fucking remote activity helper didn't seem to be giving us this fucking bone. I could be using Control Slash, but I choose not to. Alright, so I've accepted my fate as being just like a background streamer. And I think I enjoy that. It means that people just like to chill with me in the background, which is exactly how I watch Twitch. I think that's the true Twitch experience. Is to just and don't worry about it, you're not spamming. Have I done enough importing of fucking libraries, or like what the fuck here? I did that on the phone. Shit. There it is. I don't know what you mean. You didn't mean it. You're completely fine. Oh, doesn't where actually do that? Yes. Yes, it does. Sync that, I think. Don't worry. If you're just because you're the only one in my chat doesn't mean you're like the only one watching me. Mr. Country is probably watching me in the background, but also he like I think watches me while he streams himself. Oh, she's not live. Huh, oh, where he is then. I saw him doing something. I guess I was wrong. Huh. I have a lot of workers that are all very regular workers. I enjoy it once there's someone to talk to. Context, intent, result receiver. You like kids? I don't dislike kids. I just it's like modern kids, I guess. I don't like kids nowadays just seem very annoying, I guess. Spoiled in a way. It just feels like parents aren't there for their kids anymore, in a way. Okay, that's not where that goes. Could I just throw no in there? Like, I know kids that are just like can't comprehend socialization, and it's usually because they grew up on an iPad. Like, there isn't this concept of just being you're a QT 3.14. Why, thank you. Wait, no, I'm a cutie pie. That's what you're fucking. You just did a math test problem on me. I was like 3.14. 1597 was his pie. Wait a minute. That took me a bit. I'm slow. Uh, Good thing about this the remote intent, I don't think it fucking crashes. Isn't that lovely? I love it when shit doesn't crash, with an exception. I think I make shit so complicated. Make things with two places that do the same exact thing. That's kind of bullshit. Alright, let's see if it works this time. You are lovely, I agree. Oh, fuck you. Thank you. But fuck. I don't know. Where am I going here? I don't know. I was like maybe look for something that was cute, but I don't know. I think I have like some more cute designs coming, I think. My next design is going to be a lot cuter. Also, I think I figured out how to draw noses better. So you won't be seeing my ugly ass nostrils. You like it a lot. Everyone likes it. I'm like really proud of it. But next version's gonna look a whole lot cooler. And I suppose I could launch VRoid while this is loading. I've done a bit of work, and it would be interesting to see me next to my new model. And I'm also gonna update my elf model. That's gonna be fun. Where's the model? You may wonder, but it turns out that I'm usually just fucking small. Feels real this way, unlike the super beautiful kawaii. You said I'm not kawaii. That next version looks pretty fucking swanky. And one thing I'm proud of that I found out is I'm going to make myself look as smug as fucking possible. But I think I might want to lessen the eyes a little bit. Like maybe make that 25, 25. That way, because I'm going to have facial tracking. Need more titty? No! Listen, I got pretty decent titties. They're just hard to see sometimes. Like if I were to take that off, I got some alright titties, I think. Could show more titty with this top, but this isn't not done yet. That's for somebody else. Yeah. God, I look so fucking smug. I want to punch myself in the face. I've noticed that like sad. What the sad masculine mouth is actually just a fucking frown? What the fuck? That feels so con. Like with a sad female mouth, it's open, so then when you talk, it's like already open and it looks weird. But then like some of the stuff, I'm like, gee whiz, the male models were literally better blend shapes. Now that they merged the two, I have access to both. I'm just like, what have you done? This masculine and feminine, it doesn't matter whether the fucking is up somebody's butt for making these so different. Jesus, that was so much better. Look at my fucking current one. Wait, where is it? Fucking, give me a second here. Yeah, like if you look, my mouth is always kind of open. I have to like kind of like force it closed by like sucking in my lips. It's not fair. It's not fair. But I think I could have some fun with this one though. I could make this one a bit better. Angry probably wouldn't. I could actually have my eyebrows move with it. Yeah. All about how I want to do tracking. Lewd? Oh, how dare you? I'm not that lewd. Usually. Yeah. My fucking. I like the ears though. I was able to like get the ears a lot smaller. If you look at like my current ears, they're like when I say this in the front, like they look normal, but then as soon as I go to the side, they're kind of you realize they're kind of like fucking huge. But, like these ones look a lot more round, more sitting downward, and I like them like that. Look a lot better, I think. And the glasses are also not made of my hair now, and look fucking cool. I probably have to clean up the textures a little bit. Do I have blush on ever so slightly? Maybe. Maybe I do. Yeah, but I also have a lot more of the like get your ass to bed. I ain't dealing with this shit. Right? They don't pay me enough to be here. It's gonna be fun to like start putting some of this stuff onto my elf model. Because I haven't updated that since like March? Maybe April? It's really behind the. Because I used to just be an elf kind of thing, but then I was like, well, I'll show you my true form, and it's a goblin, but now. Sometimes people redeem the elf potion, and then I'm like, oh, well. I have to be like this for 30 minutes, and it's gonna look kind of spoof. It's still not liking me. Oh, thank you for giving me the walking option. Alright, what if I Google this? Exception. Airbase. Tenant developer error. Application is misconfigured. So I'm doing something wrong. What am I doing wrong? Am I missing like a permission or something? No activity. It's not Google sign in failed though. It's like fatal exception. Dispatch workers fucking want to suck my cock. I don't get it. Nothing's making sense. Have you signed your project on Android console? Huh? What? Is that the reason? I need to. Huh. Sign on the Android console. Alright, let's look over here. That's the library, right? Android X Wear remote interactions. Android X Wear remote interactions. There should be like a guide for that though. Or is that all it's gonna give me? Where phone interactions? What? What's that then? The fuck? Uh, whoa, wait. What's the phone interactions? That's the phone type helper. Hey, fucking aphids. As far as I know, I don't need those. I can do the Android console. Where's the phone? I don't need those. If I get rid of this. I don't know. I feel like I'm choosing between a lesser of two evils with choosing between Android X and choosing between like Google GMS. But at least with the Android X, I think it's the Android team, so you know, I'm a bit more likely to lean towards them. What's your problem? Fuck you. Where's the where main activity? Oh wait. Phone type helper dot companion. Isn't this what the same thing is? Except I am using Android X instead of Google GMS. Yes, yes. Device type. Oh, there's a separate error and separate unknown. Oh. What's the value though? Won't say. Fascinating. So I guess you know, at this point it does not equal device type Android. That's just easier. Eventually we're gonna have to deal with fuchsia though. It wouldn't surprise me though if like they switch from like Bear is probably going to be the first one to switch from Android to fuchsia. I think the Nest shit's already switched, so if smart home is going first, I'm thinking watch is gonna be next. And I think Google has more control over and like the watch, so that'll be an interesting time. 'Cause I'm gonna have to learn a new language. I think it's like based off Rust. It ain't bad, you know. I've heard Rust is a fairly decent language, but I also think you can use other languages. The real question will be, can I use them interoperably? Like I can Kotlin and Java. This shit's kind of fucking rad, I'll be real. Um, I need to stop looking at memes. Feliz Dia de los Muertos. I just read whatever I see on that fucking monitor. I swear to fucking God. Farting. Did I finish that? Oh, no, no, I didn't. Does not equal my clipboard. Phone type helper device type is not Android. Her device is non-Android. OS is too old to run standalone. Finish. Okay. Okay. So it turns out that what's your problem? Missing permission access network state. You missing a permission, eh, you gov? Boy there, gov. It's right there. The fuck you talking about? Boy, what you talking about, boy? I grant you that permission, boy. What are you saying? Access network. It's right fucking there. It's right bloody fucking there. It's on both of them. What the fuck you want? Boy, what the fuck you want from me? It's right fucking there. This should build. Building. What's that error? Oh. Invalid import. See logs. What? I'm looking at the fucking log. Oh, I see the problem. Um, that is the problem. Um, oh shit. Fuck me in the asshole. Shit. Yep. Yeah. Back to the main, I think. I cannot believe this. Ah, fucking. Fucking A. I stopped doing shit with my nails. I want to keep them as long as possible. I've been doing my hair in the shower, fucks up my nails. And I'm just like, well, no. Glitchy did these for me. I love them. Love my nails. That's what she did them, and that makes them special. Mm. Hello, Gizmo. I had to sprayed it just for the fuck of it. Um. Okay. Well. Where do I go to like Android X where overview? Hmm. There seriously seems to be so much like Android and Google make for their library, but like nobody fucking uses them because like it's buried under all of this fucking shit. I always say something about cock. I'll be real. It's just how it be. Oh, and had played. I try to have those run, but as limitedly as possible. Hey, there we go. Okay. Huh. Is China device. I don't give a shit. I know that Google probably bends its back over for the Chinese government. And I ain't exactly a vocal supporter of the Chinese government, nor will I ever be. What the fuck is this shit? What? What are complications in watch face? Wait, don't I use complications? You got like a full version here? Or... I don't think we do. Where ongoing? Activities, ongoing activity, and provide the needed information. Ongoing activities refer to activities that could be running in the background of the watch. I don't know. I'm gonna make it that. Shove the entire fucking thing in my mouth. I can. Okay, we got phone interactions. But then we got remote interactions. I don't. Oh, she's a little pissed at this. You could say I'm a little bit of a pissed off gamer. Herb the text in. Does it just work? Oh, arc layout. Maybe. Huh. Why did I just spray the water into my mouth? I'm bored, thirsty, and fidgety. Well, I'm not bored. I'm just fucking confused as hell. I wish there was like, hey, here are the libraries. Input, possessing ongoing interactions, remote interactions. Sounds kind of like horsecock. Let's look up the Android console. See what that's all about. As I figured, it's probably just the Google Play console. So I have to have it fucking signed and bundled with this in order to do this. Is that what I'm on to? Is that what I'm to understand? You, Bitcoin. That's how it should stay. Should be a bitch. I used to think blockchain was cool. I mean, I still have some crypto. I just choose to sit on it. Don't have much, but you know, if it goes somewhere, maybe. But then, also, I'm like almost predicting the demise of all this shit. I feel like it won't completely go away. It'll just become a lot more niche. Bruh. A lot of people think back then, or even like 2014, that shit just came out. Came out like 2011, I think. Just kind of nuts when you think about like the computers back then. Actually, 2011 computers weren't the worst. Twenty 2011 computers were still kind of rough. They were just, but they were still like going in a direction. It's just it's no longer about the core ideas behind crypto anymore. Those things died. What people want from crypto now is just money. They just want monetary gain. That's what I'm convinced of now. Same with the NFTs. They're just it's a really complicated way of saying I own something that's worth value. It's putting value to arbitrary things that innately are just like kind of wasteful in a digital space. Why do I have this tab open? I suppose I could. I mean, I have a Google Play like developer account, so I can get on this console and hopefully I can like do have it up there on Google Play, but not like out, you know? And then I can figure out how this shit would work. Oh, there's an app for it too. Mm. So complicated. Barcode can no show. Android where one. I could probably do that. I should just do that for the fuck of it. Make a fucking Android Wear version of Barcode Kanojo. I could totally do it. Just have a live 2D shit. That'd be kind of neat. I think. I have no idea how it would get the there's no cookie manager. So I would have to do something else. Huh. I don't know what to do then. Huh. Oh well. Oh well. I'll just have to deal with it. Sometimes I just look over at myself fucking I'm like was buying an iPhone for VTubing even though like I have not made nearly that much money worth it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's fun. Hmm. So I don't know what to do though with that. Make all your money back with a Mafia City phone. That's how it works in Mafia. That's how Mafia works. Isn't that how it goes? That's a good meme. I like that meme. Yeah, would stick his arm out. That's how Mafia works. It's like, hmm, I guess nothing's going on. I thought maybe I could rejoin my friends after stream. Guess tomorrow. But I'm not gonna do Google Play shit right now because that's probably something I should do off stream. So I could work on my model a bit, or I could switch to barcode Kanojo. If I want to do barcode Kanojo, I should probably do this. set this up. I've been figuring out how to use source mirrors in OBS. And I now figured out how to properly box the fuck out of shit. So if I do, wait, is that doing that right? Mostly. It's mostly doing it right. Arco Kanoja would be a lot to get into tonight because I'm a little behind on that. What was the last thing I was on that? That was I was doing, it was something with the cache. The cache cleaning, that was it. I had the cache all set up properly. I just had to do the stuff to make sure it gets cleaned automatically and correctly, and then put in the correct locations. And all locations get cleaned up when necessary. That was what I needed to do. I also think I had to work on cache invalidation. Like where I invalid, like if a certain thing in the cache needs to be refreshed, I have to delete it from the cache. That was what I had to figure out. I also did a lot of integration into extending the ORU cache class inside of my library. That way I didn't have to make as much redundant code, and I could control the disk cache more from inside of there. That was what I was working on. But I'm not gonna get into that tonight. So I'm gonna fucking probably do a BRB really quick and be back in like a minute or two with some art. No sad Peppo. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get some water and set my tablet. It shouldn't take more longer than like a minute. But also I will turn on my little Heartrate app, which I uninstalled on my phone like a dumbass. So I'm gonna run that quick. White pineapple monster? Ah, that doesn't sound that good. I'm sorry. It's always a shame when that shit don't taste that tasty. Oh shit, the shit should be up. Alright, now it's time for me to get an actual accurate heart rate reading by putting a watch on my ankle, and then my Fitbit is also just reporting like probably my accurate heart rate. Besides, I want to show off my whatchamacallit, my BRB screen. Because it's cool and it's made by Goujitchi, my girlfriend. So fucking it's rad. Peanut, I'm not leaving you. Don't freak out. You don't need to get all awake and aggressive. I don't want a monster. I don't know why. Is there a way? Is there like a caffeine-free monster I can drink? I kind of just like the taste of monster. Is that a sin? Is it a sin to like the taste of monster? I feel like it kind of just is. You will see me soon, but you will hear me constantly. Do not worry. I am good at screaming really loud. I need Wawa. Peanut, 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 peanut. Okay. What's C4? Like the explosive? I didn't know they still sold C4 explosives. I thought there was a C5 by now. This is an oldish drink that gives you heart palpitations. Oh god. How horrifying. God damn it. Okay. Coming back soon. I just have to open some stuff. And then we'll be good to go. Alright. And peanuts come to be a pain in my patootie. Isn't that right, my son? You have come to be a pain in my behind. Not now, son. I'm farting. Yeah, hi, Peanut. Hi, baby. Good to see you again, Percy, by the way. I didn't realize it was you. Just saw red. Nope. You're not walking on the keyboard. You are not walking on my keyboard. Hey, where'd my heart rate go? Shit, is it not working? Did it crash? Oh, I think it's because it killed it when it, like, uninstalled. So then if I do that, there we go. My heart rate. We're only gonna go for a couple more minutes though. Alright. Oops. There we go. Wait a minute, where's my thing? There we go. Gotta get my tablet out in order to draw, right? Alright. I haven't gotten word back on what Echo thinks of the lips. At the same time, I'm thinking I might want to redo the nose. So we can see what we think of that. I do believe it's giving me a pretty accurate heart calculation if I have like the Galaxy Gear Live on my like ankle and my just Fitbit on normally. Together combined, I think they do all right. Let me just export that. Itchy. Ow. Ah. Mm. I'm gonna try a new technique with the nose. Something that's a bit more subtle, I guess. 'Cause you see, you don't see the nose until like right there, and then by the time it gets to there, you're good. You don't need much of an indicator for the nose, I don't think. Okay, so now that that's hidden, go to nose, custom. It's actually just about what I was gonna do. Actually, let's look at the presets here. I was thinking something like that, but then I add like a little bit of shade underneath. Make it look like it's coming from like a forward camera. Or like light source, like a ring light almost. It's a bit like that. Although, I don't know, it feels kind of naked there. Like there isn't enough information, you know? Actually didn't look at all the nose options, now that I think about it. Actually, maybe I did. I just didn't think there was much there, though. What's fem nose do? Um, what if I do both? Then we get a real, freaky looking person. Nose base. Oh yeah, that's right. I thought the lower lip might be sticking out a little too much, be a little too pouty, you know? Wait, what? Lower ear base. That has nothing to do with the ears. What does that do? Are big noses attractive? I'm asking for a friend. Seems so sharp. How sharp is my nose? I can't see when I look up. I'll have to find out later. But how's that different than nose width? Not much. Hmm. Texture for now. Um, I need to set that down. Not that big. That's small. No, I know she didn't. Lamau, Mr. Country. I think I would fall for such obvious tricks. I think that the circular glasses are plenty cute. I was studying Zentrea's model a lot today, so I was like, how does that work? How do I like the way it looks? Oopsie. I think one of the reasons I like the way Zentrea's model looks is just because of the very simple shading. It's not too subtle, but also I figured out how I can have two different textures. One for like when the model is categorized as in shadow, and one for when the model is characterized for in light. So if I do something like that, make that kind of dim, right? Um, oh, that actually does increase and decrease it. A bit like that, maybe. Maybe I need to lessen that even more, or like blur it out a bit. Let's get that layer size and like that brush size like 3. Wait, where did the color I chose go? That works. Okay. I'm gonna have mirror mode on. That might be helpful. I don't know. What do you think? Symmetry? Overrated. Yeah, symmetry's overrated. We all know this. Olin Robinson? Wow, the blur tool is so much better. And if I do that down to like there, maybe. Oh yeah, that's right. You can't do fucking mirror at that fucking spot because it's fucking going to fuck up. Alright, I think after I finish this nose, I'm gonna call it for the stream. Here's what I'll do with this. Right. Bring the opacity so down that it starts to look a bit questionably small. Erase a little bit of that. At the 5. Blur there. Slightest indication of nostrils, maybe. Not sure how I feel. Maybe just a little teeny less, just enough to give it a little bit of variance in there. Not looking kind of pig nosed. I think that looks good. I'm hoping that looks good. I think it looks good. We got a flipping nose. How about that? This hair, I'm gonna have to make it a bit more voluminous. Oh yeah, wasn't there like built-in buns? Oh fuck, how do they do that? I have to check that out. Huh. Could use that as a base. But looks so much cooler than mine. Mm. Damn, that actually is the look. I don't know, what else could be? Maybe just throw something sort of together here. Oh fuck, that's a bit horrible. God damn. Oh shit, and it keeps the other ones. Fuck. I think I have a bit to go. Can we ban someone from here? It depends on who that is, Roxera. Who is it? Who it be? What's up? What's happened? what has become, what events have unfolded. My mic is laggy or my stream is having a shit fit. Oh fuck. I'm not seeing any lag on my end. I could check quick. Let me check, let me check, let me check. Let me check, let me check, let me check. Wow, 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 wow. Check, let me check, let me check. Yow. Wow, 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 wow. Check. Yow. Wow, 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 wow. Yow. Oh. Yow. Oh. You're right. There's like a lag. What the fuck? What the fuck's happening with that? Huh. Huh. I can see it in OBS. Well, hello. Huh. Can't imagine why VRoid would be doing it. This hasn't happened before. Alright. What about now? Oh. Was it the noise suppression? Huh. 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 My noise suppressor appears to be, causing an audio lag. When I disable it, it seems to be fine. What the fuck? Huh. 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 Well, it's a good thing I kept the old audio suppressor as a standby. I mean, I could maybe, like, lower the intensity of the new one. Huh. Huh. Yeah, there's like a growing lag with that one. Yeah, I got the GPU based, the SDK for the GPU based noise suppression. So GPU, oh, the GPU is probably a little toasty because it's rendering 3D shit. So it doesn't like that. But anyway, Rockstar, who are we banning? Who are we destroying today? Is it me for doing this? What does it mean this main color, highlight color? What's all this? Uh, Would back encompass that? Cause that's some front too, right? Yeah. Oh. They dislike goblins. Especially gay goblins. Fuck. As a trans female lesbian goblin, I take offense to that. Can break this up into more than one, right? Oh, poop. It's probably getting about time. Ooh. Oh, whoa, Dixie's streaming. The broken jaw issue? If the broken jaw issue, by the broken jaw issue, you mean like the jaw coming out of the bottom of the mouth? Probably not, because that's more of an issue with the blend shapes. It depends on what application you're exporting to. You have to kind of configure your blend shapes to how you're talking, or like what application you're using. Because like for example, the default surprise, right, is this. So if you were to talk in addition to that, you have clipping. Which is why you don't want stuff that isn't vocal, a vocal-based blend shape opening your mouth. Which reminds me, does this actually... Beautiful. It's so... You ever see something so, like, horrifying? It's, like, beautiful. This is it. This is it right here. It kind of reminds me of, like, a goatee in a way. Which is why usually when it comes to surprise... Oh my god, that's adorable. What the fuck? Wait. Mouth fem, turn that. Bruh. Okay, that looks very much like that that looks like something more than saying the ah, if you know what I mean. Um, Ahega face. You can do an Ahega face. Wants to me? I can do it. I can pull that off. Watch this. This is the last thing, and we're gonna raid OO Dixie. Alright, watch this. This is how to do a Hagao face in VRoid. Pay attention. You got to disable sync gaze. Up that smile. A little bit of a surprise in there. Then, what you want to do is open the mouth with the ah. I don't know actually if we can shove the tongue out in pure VRoid, but that's about. It's pretty close, I guess. We could go and throw in some like that. I couldn't. I technically, I think in Unity, I could make an ahegao blend shape clip, at least with my model. So, dude, I use Unity all the time for VTuber stuff. It's just like so necessary. Yes, it's me, Picasso, making true works of art here. So I'm gonna fucking send this to Echo. I'm taking the snipping tool and I'm sending this to Echo publicly. In the Discord. Alright. That's enough fun for the day. I gotta get to bed. There's work tomorrow. So I thank you all for coming. And I hope you enjoyed your time here. We're gonna raid. Oh, whoa, Dixie Wrecked. They're one of the people I'm playing Borderlands with. And we got the shit working for next Thursday. So I hope you enjoy them. They're pretty fucking funny and cool. So if you like my humor, you'll like them. Playing Bloodborne right now, so make fun of them. Use the party emote or something when you raid. And